Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with one of my favorite EDC toolkits. I love this little kit because it's compact, and with Victorinox, KNIPEX, Maxpedition, FENIX and Multipick, this set stands for a high quality. We start with the little organizer pouch. This is a can case from Maxpedition. I love the slot on the back side because a KNIPEX Mini fits perfectly in. And when we check the inside of the pouch, we have a main compartment and a slot with a rubber loop. Let's start with the KNIPEX tools. First of all, I carry a KNIPEX Mini's pliers wrench. The next item from KNIPEX is an EDC legend. This one is the KNIPEX Cobra XS. It's a tool with 1,000 use cases and a great combination with a Victorinox Swiss Army knife without pliers. The third item is this little universal key from KNIPEX. It's an excellent little EDC tool, especially in combination with the bit holder and a bit. And with this little tool here, I don't need a Phillips head screwdriver on my Victorinox, and I can carry a version with a corkscrew. Compared to the other universal keys from KNIPEX, this one is a lightweight version compared to the heavy-duty models like this one here. Let's talk about the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's a model from the S series with a locking blade. Let's go through the other tools. We have the can opener with a flathead screwdriver tip. The combination tool, it's a bottle opening tool with a large flathead screwdriver tip. We have the nail cleaning tool with a nail file. We have a saw and excellent scissors. This version comes also with an awl and a corkscrew. And as we know from a lot of other Victorinox tools, we have the toothpick, the tweezers and the keyring. The next item in this little toolkit organizer is one of my favorite EDC and keychain flashlights. This one is the E05R from FENIX. You find this version in different colors. This one is the green one. There's also a black and a brown version. The next item is a little titanium bolt action pen. This one is a mini version from Big Idea Design. The look and feel of this little pen is excellent, and it's a lot of fun to play with the bolt action mechanism. Last but not least, I want to talk about the EDC Pick Set from Multipick. Lockpicking is definitely a great hobby in the hobby, and I normally use the products from Multipick. This one is designed as an EDC version of a pick set, and it comes with different picks and a tension tool. The picks are designed for EDC use cases, and you can replace the different picks depending on your own needs. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite items for your EDC kits.